Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us some discount codes for your Temu app. Once you have the app, whether you're a new app user or an existing user, you can use this discount code on your Temu app to enjoy discounts, okay? Who wouldn't want to have some items at a discounted price? I mean, if you have the opportunity to get some items at a discounted price, why not? So the first code is actually the code for gifts. All right. Open your Temu app and search this code in the Temu app search bar. FRS 127497. Okay. Once you click on the search icon, to be playing a little game, you end up choosing your gifts. You can be offered 6, 3, 8, 4 gifts, or even 1. Okay. Just go on and make sure you do everything you're asked. Choose your gift from the page you're shown. Choose your paid items, because yes, Temu gifts come with paid items. You need to pay for the items to be able to unlock this gift, to have it sent to you with your paid items. I have a detailed video on my channel. You can always check it out. I'll link it in my description box. Now that is it for the code for the gift. All right, you should know that Temu's gift come with terms and conditions. People have been saying they didn't get their gifts. I assure you, you must have done something wrong. A lot of times, after you've paid for the first set of paid items, Temu might ask you to pay for a second set, and if you don't do that, you've not done everything. You're definitely not going to be getting those gifts. So we should take note of that. Always go through the terms and conditions so you know what you're getting into, okay? Now, the second code is for exclusive deals. Again, on your Temu search bar, search this code, ACY 077290. Once you search this code, they are going to be having access to a lot of really good items with good reviews at discounted prices. Just like the name says, exclusive deals. You're going to be having so many varieties of nice items at really good prices. That's what this code is for. Now the third code is for your €100 coupon, and is ACR 609164. Once you search this code, it's going to be giving you the €100 coupon or the $100 coupon, right? So it's basically applied to your checkout. You have a €100 coupon that is going to help you save. At the end of the day, the Temu app is all about helping you save. That is if you have the right codes to use, and that's what I'm doing in this video. I'm giving you those codes. Now, the last code, or the fourth code I'm going to be giving us, is the affiliate code. This code, for those that are serious about making money, yes, you can make money on the Temu app as a Temu affiliate. All right, all you need to do is to punch this code I'm about to give you into your Temu app search bar, and automatically you're signed up as a Temu affiliate. Then once you do that, claim your welcome gifts, share your codes, share them like your life depends on it. I mean, if you want to make money, of course, yes. So share your codes on all your social media platforms. Just be creative about it on how you share your codes, and I can assure you that before you know it, you're going to start getting money into your Temu affiliate account. All right, yes. So it works by commissions and rewards you get from downloads. All right, so on the Temu app, as an affiliate, when someone uses your code to purchase something or to buy something on the app, you as an affiliate, you get commissions from that sale that you've just made, okay? And when someone downloads the app, you get some sort of reward. So as a beginner, you might be getting €2 per new downloads, or $2 per new downloads, or $4. Then with time it can increase. It increases actually. Yes, so for the commissions, you might be having 15% commission, but with time you can earn up to 45% commission. So it takes time, just like you're climbing a ladder. I mean, when I say it takes time, it doesn't take a lot of time, but if you're consistent, you're definitely going to get rewards and you will not regret it. So this is the code. I'm talking too much. The code to join the affiliate program is SEC 787028. And just like that, search it and automatically you're signed up as an affiliate. Okay, just take your time on the affiliate dashboard. Is required of you. Authorize any of your social media accounts and just do what's asked of you. Take your time, study the affiliate dashboard, and you're going to understand everything because it's straightforward, it's not complicated. All right, so yeah, that is it. So that is it. If you've watched to this point, thank you very much. If you've gotten value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching to this point. See you in my next video. Bye.